How to use QR Vio to generate QR code. Hey everyone, welcome to our quick demo on using QR Vio to generate your own QR codes. Let's start. To get started, make sure to sign in. If you haven't registered yet, don't worry. It's a quick and simple process. Once signed in, choose your content type, whether it's a website link, text, or contact information. Input your data. If you're sharing a website, paste the link in the provided space. QR Vio will work its magic and create your unique QR code. Now, let's personalize it. Customize your QR code by adjusting colors, adding a logo, or resizing to fit your style. Ready to share your creation with the world? Download the QR code to your device, and you're all set. That's it. Generating QR codes with QR Vio is as simple as sign in, customize, and download. Don't forget to explore all the features QR Vio has to offer. Your QR adventure starts here. Happy coding!